Oh, guys, here we are once again getting screwed over by PAX again because of a high volatile market, which is bullshit. Any other time that I execute a trade, it's executed precisely for the entry, and here I am having a 20 pip trail stop, and so it went down about 25, so that would have brought me right at 33 or 34 pips, or I'm sorry, 3.4, and you can see where they stopped me out at. Right there. $10 pips. And this is the price they got me out at. So they just screwed me for over $500 something. They just screwed me. I can't believe this shit. This is bullshit. They just screwed me out of $500 freaking dollars. Even though I only lost 150, but that was already in profit. And now look what it did. At 3:40 in the morning, 3:30 in the morning, that's when that happened. That's crazy. That's absurd. The trail stop is there for me not to lose money. But yeah, I just lost money again. This is stupid.